And here we are again with another beautiful recipe. Can't wait for you guys to see this one. Welcome back. This one pot pasta is super delicious, super easy as well. You're gonna love it. Let's get right into it. We're gonna get that pasta boiling. Right, I got some salt and some oil in there as well. Right, we're not gonna overcook it. Right, while we got the pasta on boil, we're gonna in with like our butter. Right, we're gonna melt it down. It's like 1 tablespoon. Right, we're in with like 2 cloves of, I put like 3. But yeah, I love garlic. Make sure we saute that a little bit. In with the onions, finely chopped. Alright, I just run through it real quick. But yeah, get all of that out. Beautiful. Right, we could put the chili, but you don't have to put the chili if you want. Alright, it's only optional. Alright, and we're gonna end with the minced beef now. You don't really need to use minced beef. You could use anything: minced chicken, minced turkey, minced anything. You can use any minced meat you want, but this is minced beef, so we're gonna give that a nice little fry. We want to get the juices out of it as well, so we're just gonna like mash it down a little bit. Make sure we separate, get it into smaller pieces, so we can get like that perfect flavor. It's gonna be so good. I promise you, you're gonna love it. Right, we're in with some finely chopped bell peppers. Right, I did like half of a pepper. Alright, we're in with the chopped tomatoes. Okay, right, we're in with the tomato puree as well. I got that Old Bay, got that dried thyme as well. I got that ginger powder in there as well. I put like Chinese 5 spice in there as well. Right, and we're gonna give a nice little black pepper. In with the fresh parsley. Can't go wrong with the parsley. You're always gonna need that green, fresh. It's just gonna like bring it up to another level. Like it's spot. I love parsley, right? We give it that nice color as well. Right, give that a mix. We're gonna combine, make sure to get everything coated really well when we put the pasta. Right, give it a nice mix. And look at that beautiful. I can't wait to dive in. It's so good. I promise you, you're gonna love this one. While that is cooking down nice, we're gonna add our beautiful pasta in there. Beautiful. And get everything coated really well. Alright, you want to get all of the pasta really coated in that beautiful sauce as well. It's perfect, I promise you. You're gonna love it. If you do like this recipe, don't forget to like the video. If you want more simple recipes, more delicious recipes you can make at home, restaurant quality style as well, as you can see, beautiful, at home, don't forget to subscribe. Until then, I'm gonna catch you all in another one. Happy New Year and stay safe. Peace.